Swap the front bumper on a Vauxhall Combo or Vauxhall Corsa. First of all, need to open the bonnet. Once you've got the bonnet opened, you'll see there's these 8mm screws that you need to take out. Then you've got a captive nut, which is a metal pin with a black plastic 10mm socket on the back of it.
If your vehicle has the plastic arch trim in place, then I'll show you how to take that off in a second. The principle's just the same, except you won't need the set of pliers as the captive nut will be held in place.
And here you can see what's come out. Plastic 10mm nut and this sort of funny looking screw. Well, the easiest tool to use is a 10mm ratchet spanner. Inside the middle, with the top of the plastic trim, insert it. You want to rotate it clockwise as you're facing it to undo it. You'll then be able to get your hand in behind and undo the little plastic nut on the back of it. There we go. Now you've got the same setup with a captive nut and a captive bolt and a plastic nut here. You just get your socket onto it, 10mm deep socket, stick it in behind. You might be able to do it by hand. There we go. So that's out. That's out. Now it's just...
There's 4 plastic clips behind this arch trim, but you don't need to remove those to get the bumper off.
Now to remove the bumper, just lift it slightly over these lugs on the front here. Grab it by the side and slide it out. And hold on to it so it doesn't fall on the ground. And there you go. Now in here, underneath, you need to remove this temperature sensor socket. There we go.
There's 3 plastic press-in studs that need to be removed. This great big fork is quite an easy tool to use to do this from inside. They're usually quite brittle and will probably need to be replaced when you replace the bumper with a new one. And here is the bumper removed. Like and subscribe for more videos on how to fix your van.